What's up, guys? Today we are going to be reviewing all of our fireworks that we have today. So it's going to be a good one for you. Alright? Alright, so we're gonna, this is in my dad's garage, man cave. And we are going to be reviewing some fireworks that we got a few weeks ago. So, alright, here we go. So we have Night Reaper. See that? And it's a fan cake. As you can see, it's a little tilted. It's hard to see in the camera, but they're tilted. It's 25 shots of 2-inch artillery shells. So, it isn't that bad. It's pretty good. We have that, and then we have two Legends Color Pearl Flower with reports. 96 shots of awesomeness. So there's that. And by the way, if you're wanting to know, tomorrow I'm going to be videoing our fireworks show. So that's going to be a good one for you guys too. So we've got two of those, and then have Phoenix Tail Howl Fountain by Boomer. Cool little fountain. And the Night Reaper cake is a cake by Showtime that I just showed you, and Color Pearl Flower with reports is by Legend Fireworks. This is by Boomer. We have Reign of Kong by Pyro Force. So it's a good cake. Just because it's by Pyro Force. And if you want to know how I got that, is by how I got Reign of Kong is because the guy gave it to me because I helped him put up his fireworks show, so that was pretty cool. We got some artillery shells from him. So, Angel Kiss. It's a noiseless. I don't know why we got it. By World Class Fireworks, a good fountain. Trust me, if you want to go watch the video for tomorrow, I will be uploading it the day after, so Saturday. That would be. And I am going to be lighting off Dessert at Night. Pretty good. It's a fountain by it's actually a off-brand fountain. It's a good one. We have let's see, Blue, a 200-gram cake by 12 shots by Showtime. As you can see that picture, it's kind of cool. It's got a monster truck and then 12 shots of awesomeness. Like I said in the other cake. We have a second fountain of what? Angel Kiss. We have, if any of you guys are watching and you are from a certain country, please comment if you can on what this means, because I have no idea. If you could translate it in English, that would be awesome. That is called by Cutting Edge. Sorry, this video is going to be really long, so maybe, I don't know, just going over fireworks. Jewel Pots by World Class Fireworks. We have Magnus artillery shells. 5-inch artillery shells. By Pyro Force. Best. Those are in our little show finale. So, and we have a second one of the translated one that I did not know of. Neon Crash Fountain. Okay, here's my head compared to this fountain. Huge. We have Java Break, or Lava Break. The fountain by Lil Patriot. Kind of cool. But hey, and this Neon Crash fountain is by Dominator Fireworks. Big, Bad, and Loud. Okay, fellas. Big, Bad, and Loud by, it's an off-brand firework. 9 shots of complete coolness. Like I said, with, Jaws. Pretty good one. So after this, that is, part 1 of going over fireworks. It'll be up here soon. Bye.